Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll be taking a look at 5 of the best thin cases currently available for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. With Samsung's latest release boasting a sleek design, it makes sense to maintain this as much as possible. Our selection of cases in this lineup will give you the best smartphone experience while keeping your handset safe from harm. Starting off our lineup, we have the official Samsung Silicone Case. Certainly a solid option for the S10 Plus, this provides fantastic protection from bumps, knocks and scratches while also maintaining the phone's slim profile. The simple yet stylish design really does add to the official look and feel of the phone, with the silicone material providing an added sense of grip. Once on, I could hardly tell it was there. It doesn't get in the way and allows you to use your phone exactly how you'd expect. Thanks to the raised edges, you can prevent screen scratches, as this lifts the whole display from flat surfaces. I found the level of protection this offers is surprising. It's a very slim case, however it handles drops and bumps very well. This is perfect for those wanting a simplistic yet effective case for their new S10 Plus that looks fantastic in every scenario. Next up, we have the MeshTex case by Olixar. An intriguing option for sure, this offers protection from light knocks and scratches. The holes in the back definitely make for an interesting look, however they also help to keep your S10 Plus running at its best by dissipating heat. Once snapped onto the phone, this gives you a little extra grip while also preventing surface scratches. I really like how slimline this case is. You can truly enjoy every detail of the S10 Plus as it's practically invisible once on. When out and about, the whole design looks fantastic, so no matter where you go or what you do, you can give your S10 Plus a unique look with this case. This is definitely a great option. The design is very subtle and doesn't ruin your experience of the phone, which is exactly what I like to see from a case. Moving on to the Crystal Chrome case by VRS Design. One of the more protective options in our lineup, this keeps the S10 Plus in top condition while allowing you to enjoy its slim profile. While this does have a tough bumper, I found it's incredibly slim and it seems practically invisible once on. The chrome strip at the back adds a stylish touch, while the clear back lets you show off Samsung's impressive design. I really like this as your phone looks amazing no matter where you go. Protection wise, this has a lot to offer. Bumps, knocks and scratches from daily use won't damage the phone thanks to the tough bumper and raised edges. Overall, this is a great addition to the S10 Plus. Its sturdy design provides outstanding protection while maintaining the slim design of the phone. Up next, we have Olixar's soft silicone case. Available in a variety of colours, this is sure to make your S10 Plus pop with its vibrant design. The extra grip is instantly noticeable and this feels like a solid option for day-to-day use. I really like its anti-slip design as it keeps the phone in place and prevents it from sliding and falling. Protection wise, this is a fantastic case. The tough bumper holds up well to knocks and drops and its raised lip keeps scratches at bay. While this does offer a lot protection wise, I found it doesn't add too much bulk. It fits in your pocket perfectly and it doesn't get in the way. Certainly a solid choice for the S10 Plus, this will ensure your phone stays in top condition while making it look great no matter where you go. Finishing up our lineup, we have the official Samsung Clear case. Quite possibly the most minimalistic official case in my opinion, this shows off the S10 Plus's stunning design while offering light protection from bumps and scratches. The clear design makes it invisible once it's on the phone, and it doesn't get in the way and fits perfectly in your pocket. In terms of protection, this is a very basic case. It holds up well to light scratches, however I feel it wouldn't stand up very well to harsh drops. While this may not be the choice for everyone, it's perfect for those wanting light protection for their S10 Plus. It lets the stunning design stand out, making your phone look fantastic in all social settings. As you would expect, all of these thin cases work flawlessly with wireless charging and Samsung's wireless power share. I really like this as you can charge your phone in the most hassle-free way imaginable without removing the case. That's all we have for our look into the best thin cases for the S10 Plus. Please do let us know your favourite in the comments below. For more information or to even purchase any of the cases featured in this video, I'll be leaving links in the description and comments.